Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. First, go over to the Epic Games launcher, then log into your account. In the launcher, click on Library, then navigate to the Fortnite game. Click on the three dots icon below. Then select Manage. Now click the folder icon beside the uninstall button. In here, open the Fortnite folder. Then Binaries. Open Win64 folder. Next, open Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Now press on Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. If nothing happens after you open that file, then right-click on it. Now click on the Send to button in the pop-up and choose Desktop to create a shortcut. Once you're done creating a shortcut for that, you need to move that file back to folder of Easy Anti-Cheat, as you can see on the screen. Now after that, right-click on that shortcut file. Then select Properties in the pop-up. In the Properties tab, you need to type and enter repair on the target or the file name, as you can see on the screen. Once it's done, then open that repair file and see if the Fortnite should now be working. But if the problem persists, then do this method. Go back to Win64 folder. Scroll down and look for the Fortnite client Win64 shipping .exe file. Then right-click on that file. Next, go to Properties. Then click Compatibility. In here, make sure that you check the box under the compatibility mode and for Windows 8. Also, make sure that you check the box beside Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply below to save the changes. Last thing you need to do is to restart the game and also your computer, and the problem should now be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.